Entonces, hola, language explorers. Vamos a ver los adjetivos de opiniones buen y mal. Good and bad opinion adjectives. So good and mal. So remarkable, notable, extraordinario, extraordinary, extraordinario, and breathtaking, taking, tomando, breathtaking, impresionante, a wonderful, maravilloso, and fantastic, increíble, incredible, brillante, brilliant, wow, and superb, sobrevivió, and genial, great, genial, and asombroso, amazing, wow, asombroso, wow, and sobresaliente, outstanding. Let's try and get a picture. Outstanding. Here we are. Outstanding. Very good. And bad, malo. Yeah, awful. Horrible. Wow. Mediocre. Mediocre. Very similar. Mediocre. Yeah, bien. Horrible or terrible. Terrible. Very similar. But disappointing. Decepcionante. Disappointing. Decepcionante. Yeah. So, remarkable, extraordinary, breathtaking, wonderful, fantastic, incredible, brilliant, superb, great, amazing, outstanding, awful, mediocre, terrible, disappointing. Yeah. Okay, why? So, puedes seguirme en YouTube, Facebook y Telegram, and también puedes encontrarme en Udemy para más clases de inglés. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Vamos a continuar explorando.